Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll show you this super easy, cute Halloween earring project. Roll out a ball of glow-in-the-dark clay, or you can use white, and then form it into a box shape, just using your fingers. Then using a tool, carve out a hole in the middle of one of the ends of the clay. Roll out a ball of orange and a ball of black clay into thin strips, and then twist them together. You'll need a thin one and a thicker one. For the thicker one, place it in the open top part for the handle. You can use a pointed end of a tool to press the handles into place. For the thinner piece, wrap it around the top lip of the bag, and then you can just use your fingers to flatten it. Make a few pieces of candy corn by rolling out balls of white or glow-in-the-dark clay, orange and yellow, and then join them together. Make a few whole ones and then a few half ones. I just leave off the bottom part for the half ones. Start placing in your candy corn at the top of your bag. Roll out 2 even-sized balls of orange clay and then form them into triangle shapes. Place them together to make a bow and attach to the top of your bag. Use a pointed-ended tool to make the bow lines. Just did 2 on each side. Roll out 3 balls of black clay and roll them into pill shapes. Use these for the face. Use your finger to flatten them into the face. Roll out balls of white clay and then place them on top of the eyes and pat them into place. Place a small ball of black clay on top of that for the center of the eye. Pre-poke the eye hook hole and add in your eye hook. Make a second one for a pair of earrings and bake. You can resin if you want and then assemble. I hope you like this idea and that you make a pair of your own. Please join me on Instagram. You can find me at Love Anything Art. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!